Welcome. Today I am going to show you guys how to clean your diffuser. This is a important thing that we need to do more regularly, but I tend to only do it about once a week or maybe once a month when I notice that there's a lot of buildup. What I mean by buildup, I'll show you. This is the lid inside of one of our diffusers that we use every night. So you'll see that there's like gunky oil buildup and dust and dirt in the holes. And then there's some over here. And it just gets to be really caked on. And if you slide your hand across it, it can get kind of, got a little film to it. Also in the basin, you'll see here around the ultrasonic sensor there, it starts to get some buildup there and around the edges as well. So it's super easy to clean. All you need is some water and some white vinegar. I buy the jumbo container because it's pretty much how I clean everything. So all I did was pour some in one of these little cups that we use normally to fill with water. And then you just pour some into the diffuser. And then I top it off with a little bit of water. It does not need to be to the top of your, like on this diffuser, it has like a max fill line. You'll see that I only have a small amount of water actually in this diffuser. And so all I do is set it up like you would normally set it up to run. So put the top on, plug it in, and then turn it on. So I've already got this one going with the vinegar in it, and I just leave it running for about 5 minutes and let the vinegar work on all the gunky stuff. If it's diffusing the same way that it would normally diffuse the water and the oil, then it's gonna be getting to all those same places where the buildup is with the vinegar. So I just leave it running for about 5 minutes, and then when it's done, which we can just turn this one off, I'll just take the lid off and then go ahead and snap all the pieces apart. So I'll drain the excess vinegar water out of this one, and then I just wipe it out with a soft cloth inside the basin, and then you can dry this one a little bit, and then all of these top pieces in most diffusers will pop out. So you just kind of get your fingers in there and grab it and then shift it, and it'll come out. So then you can clean up all of the dirt and grime that's on there, and you can also vinegar wash these pieces here. Just make sure when you put it back together that you line up on those holes. So the little spout is right here, and you can see that there's this little notch here where it goes with. So you just do that till you hear it pop, and then that's all you need to do. So that will get them all nice and cleaned up for you. It's good to do it anytime you change the oil that's in the diffuser so that you don't get some contamination. Some oils are very strong, and so their scent can be pretty strong in the diffuser, and if you don't clean it out with the vinegar in between, you'll get a lot of that old smell in the new oils that you're trying to diffuse. Also just a good thing to do to purify the diffuser and not have all that buildup going on. So if you've got any questions, drop a comment below. I would love to answer them. Have a good day.